So if you have a tankless water heater and you're not getting any power to the display, won't turn on, nothing, no reset, nothing like that. You got power to the outlet and everything else looks good. What you need to do is remove on the top of the cover, got a screw here, screw there, and a screw there. And it's got this little notch on top of the cover here that fits over the top bracket, so it's not going to fall off after you remove the screws. So after your screws are out, take your cover off. Try to do this without dropping the phone. Take the cover off. Oops. And first thing you're going to notice, there's a switch right here to the right side of the control panel. And also, if that's not the case, there's a fuse right there. So if this is not flipped, check your fuse, unplug your power first. But I already shotted, whatever you want to say. Already done figured it out. This switch was flipped off. I don't know if the plumber flipped it off himself or if the internal circuits overloaded and flipped off that way, but as you can see, and there's no gas hooked up yet, so flip it on and we're back in business. But I'm going to turn it back off because we have no gas at the moment. And I hope that helps. Check that first before you call out a plumber and pay out of pocket. And if that fuse is blown, there should be a spare in one of these bags on the inside of the unit. See right there, it comes with a spare fuse. All right, hope it helps.